Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can adjust our taskbar size, increase or decrease in window 11. So I will show you the perfect process. So first come to the WebTech software you can download from internet. Okay, and here we need to come here and explore and search for taskbar. Okay, so here you can see these options. Go to the details, just install it. Okay, after installation we need to go in settings, and here the taskbar heights you can increase by 50 to 65 and just save the settings. Okay, so now you can see my taskbar size has been increased, and you can also change icon size and taskbar button and more details you have. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.